Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making origami cute little dog. To create this model, I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper, and I'll be starting with the cross crease by keeping the white side on the top. Now bring all the four corners to the center point. This is called as blintz base. Now open one corner and turn the module. Bring the side to the center crease by leaving the triangle outwards. Repeat the same thing for the other side too. Fold the triangle like this by aligning to the sides. This is just a pre-creasing. Now you have to open this flap and flatten it as shown. Repeat the same thing to the other side too. Now turn the model and fold this space into half. You can crease only till the center point. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Now collapse the model as shown. Fold the triangle to the back side as shown. Now make a pre-creasing like this and open it and fold it back again. And now open the pocket and pinch it here and pinch here too, and then flatten the model. Now your model will look like this. Fold the model into half as shown. Now fold a small triangle down like this. This is a pre-creasing. Now we have to open the flaps and do the inside reverse fold. This is called as sink fold. Now fold back the two ears of the dog. And to make the face, we'll work on this area. Now make a crease and then fold back. This is again a pre-creasing. We'll be opening it and fold a small triangle in and finish it as shown. origami dog is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.